What are you doing?
Stop smearing. What are you trying to do?
Undo the clamp. That's it.
Not doing much, did it? Look.
No, no. That's the number plate.
Is that all you got? You got two?
It was two, isn't it?
We could lift it on, we don't need that.
I know.
You ready again, Jimmy?
Oh, you're just caught on that wood. Ready? Hold it there, Lee. Okay. You alright for a minute, Lee? Yeah. Keep going gently. Keep going gently. Keep going gently. You alright, Jimmy, yeah? Don't force any body work on your thing. Right there, Lee.
I'm going to go in that slot a bit now.
You've got all the weight in a minute, Lee. You've got the weight at the moment, Lee, alright? Ready? Go.
Right, it's going right.
Keep going, you've still got the weight, Lee. Keep going, you. Keep going.
Sorry, I'm right there, isn't it?
Right, ready, Jimmy? Ready again?
Right, you've got nothing now, Lee.
I have.
Fucking cool.
Thunderbird 4 is go.
Went on alright, didn't it?
Yeah, right. Well, you had me, didn't you? Yeah, I know that you can't drive it like that.
So, hey, I'm so happy.
You have me.
I know a lot of you are going to say, oh, you should have had ratchet straps. Yes, we know that, but we haven't got any.
Well, this is just an update from the first video, 5 hours later. And as you can see, we've got this, we've come this far now. And we've got Sailor Butler Man.
What?
Sailor Butler Man.
I'll be...
And here comes Sailor Son, Jim. He's coming down there with the screws. Spending 6 hours to put it on the trailer. I mean, it's only a 3-wheel rotten old van at the end of the day. Oh, just another update. Another 5 hours on, and we're still tying it off.
It's got to be done right.
Right. Now listen to this. I'm not taking any responsibility if that flies off, because all I'm doing is driving, and I'm taking no responsibility.
Oh, well, here we go. It's on the back of the wagon now. Just about to take it home. The old Trottermobile. There we go. Lee! Lee! Turn the car around. Oh yeah, still on the pig jig. Bye bye little Reliant Regal. You will soon be trotterised.